Getting your first 1000 subscribers is very easy, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the practical ways, three practical ways that you can actually use to get your 1000 subscribers in no time. I used this same method to get some of my students their first 1000 subscribers in less than 7 days, and of course some of these methods are also what I use to get this my channel 1000 subscribers in less than 4 days. Every single thing that I'm going to be sharing with you right now, they are real and they are practical. So if you apply it on your channel, there is no way they are going to actually work. So without much being said, let's get straight into the video. So when it comes to getting subscribers on YouTube here, there are various means that you can actually get to subscribers, but there are what we call fastest means to actually get these subscribers. And one of the fastest means to actually get your first 1000 subscribers on YouTube here, as we all know, is by you simply posting shorts. Shorts is going to actually get you subscribers really fast. And from time to time I keep hearing from a lot of people that, okay, Princess, have been posting shorts but the subscribers are not coming in. Just try your best to stay tuned, because I'm going to be sharing with you another magical means to like actually upload your shorts and get those numbers running to your channel. Now the second way, or the second method, which might not really come fast but subscribers are going to come to your channel, is for you to simply upload your videos. That is your long form content, because I was able to get over 14,000 subscribers in just 3 to 4 months of posting long form videos on my channel without posting any single shorts. So one thing is, whichever method you use, you are going to get subscribers, but one might actually be slower and one might actually be faster. Now the third method that you can actually use to get 1,000 subscribers on your channel is for you to simply use the YouTube inbuilt feature, and also trying to generate an auto subscribe link from Google, which you're going to be placing on your comment section and on your channel homepage. So these are the three ways that you can actually use to get subscribers here on YouTube. So when it comes to getting those subscribers from your short form videos, short form videos can either be a video on your long form content that you decide to bring some of the parts to your shorts. That is one side. Then the second method is either you going to other media platform, getting some of all these trending videos or some of all these entertainment videos and posting them on your shorts. Then the third method is by you simply recreating your own short, that is some trending viral shorts, for you to simply recreate them and post them on YouTube Shorts. These three methods are actually going to get you subscribers. But the two best methods that I know that have actually gotten a lot of people subscribers, even me personally has given me tons and thousands of subscribers, is by simply recreating other people's shorts or going to Instagram, Facebook and getting some viral funny videos and bringing them to YouTube Shorts. Now I believe a lot of us should know all this procedure, because for you to get other people's shorts to post here on YouTube, you have to first of all download the videos without their watermark. That simply means you have to get rid of the watermark, and when bringing it over to YouTube here, do not use the same sound. Make sure you change the sound to YouTube sound in order for you to be safe from copyright. This particular method, I did it on my channel like close to 7 to 8 times, but I wasn't really getting results. But this same method, a student of mine used it and he got thousands of subscribers. So have you seen that? That is one sweet thing about this YouTube. You might actually be doing this particular thing and it might not be working out for you, but the minute you decide to go ahead and try out something else, it will work on your channel. Now when I started posting newly here on YouTube, that was what I was doing. I was going to other social media platform, getting their videos, posting them here from time to time. Sometimes I even react to some funny videos, but I was not just getting those subscribers coming to my channel. But the minute I decided to try this second method, which I I'm going to be discussing with us right now, my channel face took a U-turn, and in less than 4 days I was able to get over 1,000 subscribers. So now this method is for you to simply recreate other people's shots. And maybe if you're out there wondering, how can I even be able to do this? Now there are different ways that you can actually use to either react or recreate a particular short video. Now you might be scrolling through the YouTube shorts and you will see some of all this either Christian music or other music, and you just go ahead and click on use that particular sound and you dance to that sound. That way you're simply recreating that video. Or maybe you come across some of all these either comedy like sounds or like videos, then you go ahead to recreate them. Okay, right now I'm going to be showing you example of what I'm talking about so that you all can be able to understand better. So from the screen here, these are my YouTube shorts. These are my YouTube shorts, and let's scroll. Okay, something like this. Now you come across something like this and you want to react or you want to recreate the video. Now what you just simply need to do is to go ahead and click on this particular place. Now when you click on it, you will see this option that says use this sound, and if you look closely you see that a lot of people have actually used this particular sound. So now what you just need to do is to go ahead and click on use this sound, and once you click on use this sound, it's going to bring you to this place where you just need to go ahead, click on this red button that says record, and record yourself. But before you can be able to do that, you have to try your best to really understand the video itself so that you can be lip syncing with the person, that is with whatever is being said in the video. Okay, so these are what I was practically doing on my YouTube short. And if you go to my channel, if you go to my YouTube short, you will see a lot of videos like that. That is my short of about 6-7 months ago. These were the kind of videos that I was recreating. Now look at the screen here. For example, this particular video that says, this particular video with the right top that says me at 12 p.m. midnight after hearing strange footstep. Now let's go over and click on this particular place here. You will see the main owner of this sound. The main owner of this sound is The Money Show. And from the screen here, if you look closely, this particular sound has given this creator over 12,000 shots. That is, over 12,000 people have actually reacted or recreated these particular shots. Now also from the screen again, you can see that my video is actually the first video here on the list. Before you scroll down and you will see other videos. So for you to be able to recreate this kind of video, first of all you have to watch the video maybe over and over again for you to like understand what is actually going on and be able to lip sync with every single thing that's going on in the video. Now once you're done rehearsing to the video, what you just simply need to go ahead and do is to click on use this sound. And once you click on use this sound, you just go ahead and react to the video. So it was after I discovered this method of posting shorts and I started using them on my channel. That was how I was able to start getting my views up and my subscribers started coming in. So this is to tell you that you might be doing a particular thing on this YouTube street here, but the minute or the moment you just decide to go ahead and try something else, you might actually be getting that result. So if you're this type of person that goes to other media platforms to get videos, if you've been doing it for like a while now and it's not just working out, go ahead and try this particular method. This same method, a student of mine just recently started doing it, and the results her channel is getting is mind-blowing. So what you just need to do is to go ahead and try this out. Okay, so these were the process, or these were how I was able to like actually get my channel subscribers really high. So trust me, if you are able to like give either of this method a chance on your channel, there is no how you will not get those subscribers. One thing is, you don't just do it once, twice or 3 times and you give up. If you check my channel very well, I literally post over 200 shorts, and every single day I posted up to 4-5 shorts. Now I'm not saying you must actually do the same thing for you to get that result. No, shorts, you can even be posting once or twice in a day and be getting that same result. So and be getting that same result. So what I'm simply trying to tell you is that you have to upload more shorts. That is why it's called more shorts, for you to be able to get these amazing results. So now once you're done with that, the second method, which I said might actually come slow, but you're still going to get those subscribers on your channel, is by simply uploading long form content. Too bad that nowadays a lot of us don't, most new YouTubers, they don't even want to exercise that patience, which is by building their channel the right way. Now there is no right way, there is no wrong way of actually growing here on YouTube, but one thing is, if you are posting long form content, let's assume that you are doing my niche on your long form content, or maybe you are doing other kind of niche on your long form content, and you go ahead to your shorts to post something that is not relevant, or something that is not related to your long form videos, is really going to slow your growth here. Yes, of course you're going to get those subscribers number up on your channel, but one thing is, the subs you get from your short form content, they are not going to watch your long form content. So now it's left for you to either decide on the one that you want to actually do. Yes, I know I posted short on my channel, and back then I was ignorant. I never knew that from posting short that you cannot get your 4,000 watch hour. So I was just doing whatsoever I was doing on my TikTok page. I just brought them down to YouTube, and I'm like, let me post YouTube shorts, get monetized, and start earning from my videos, even if it's $1 Like, I really don't mind. But it was after I hit my 5,000 watch time. You know, watch time is different from watch hours. That was when I discovered that I've been doing it all wrong, and I started posting my long form content. Bro, I had over 5,000 subscribers, but each time I post this my kind of video on my long form content, I'll be getting like 6 view, 10 view, 20 views. Why? Is because I was posting something else on my short, and for my long form content I'm posting something else. So it just took me time to like actually grow audience for my long form content. So this is YouTube for you. Whichever way you want to do it, go ahead and do it. But be at the back of your mind this particular thing that I just discussed with you right now. So now the question is, okay, Princess, how can I be posting long form content and be getting subscribers? Just try your best to create problem solving videos. That is one. Then secondly, try your best to post videos that are trending in your niche. If you notice a particular thing that is trending, since it's in your niche, just try your best to recreate it. That is, if you check out close to 3 to 4 channels and they're doing a video relating to one particular thing, then go ahead and recreate such. See one thing about long form content is that from one single viral video you can get your over 1,000 subscribers. From one single viral video on my channel, I've been able to get over 5,000 subscribers. So that is one thing about posting long form content. Now let's go over to the last method that I said that you can actually use to get your 1,000 subscribers. Now it's just for you to simply generate auto subscribe link that somebody can actually click on, and the person will have to subscribe to your channel. So this auto subscribe link, you can place it on your channel description, you can place it as a pinned comment, and also you can place it on your video description. So the minute a subscriber clicks on that auto subscribe link generator, then it simply means the person is going to subscribe to your channel. And if you're wondering how can I be able to generate this particular thing, is very easy. You just have to go ahead to your YouTube studio, get a particular URL there, copy it, go ahead to Google and click on auto subscribe link generator, and you can be able to generate the link. It's very easy. So this video is getting too long, and maybe I'll be doing a video on how to achieve this tomorrow. The video will be dropping on my channel tomorrow, so do well to watch out. Okay, so guys, if you watched to this extent and you've not yet liked this video, please do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel so you will not miss any important information on how to grow here on YouTube. Okay, and lastly, do not forget to share this video so that it can get to a whole lot of people. And as usual, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.